And lastly, number 5, good relationship among your coworker
Yes,
and managers.
or the owners of the company.
Yes. Sa office namin, para nila kaming parents or sometimes para nila kaming barkada, but not to the point na parang walang respect. There's still respect. Bawal ang discrimination,
Bawal.
ang bullying.
Yes.
So hindi palaging work environment, hindi palaging
Balance it.
serious.
But if it's bonding time, talagang bonding
They
time.
can be themselves.
Yes.
Guidance.
With guidance and discipline.
Discipline.
Yeah. Yes.
Kapag hindi nila kami makausap, meron silang means para ma-express nila sa amin yung mga frustration, doubts, or minsan personal problems.
Yeah.
Tapos natutulungan
We
din namin
encourage
sila.
them na kausapin kami individually.
Yes.
If they have concerns, regardless kung tungkol sa trabaho
Or personal.
personal life, na sometimes yung kasing personal concerns nila sa buhay nila, it affects their work, their
Totoo.
performance. So, we serve as their advisor. So, we really try to maintain healthy relationships sa loob ng office.